welcome back to Feral Art. This evening, I've been cooking an idea for a couple of days, and today we're going to find out how it works, or if it works. I guess is probably as good a question as any. I'm not real sure what I'm doing, but I have some of this blue tape, and I have a Artist Loft Level 3 12 by 36 inch canvas, which is kind of an odd size. But we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna make me a offset. That offset? I don't know. We'll see. Just going to tape off a portion here that I want to be a different color. I've mixed up some more swiping paint. I did a little swipe the other day, and it was cute, and I think it's dried well, but I think that I'm not going to show you the dried results before I put sealer on it because it's just not very pretty. They dry very matte, so I think we're going to wait on that. So today what we're doing is I have used my Cause Creations pouring medium, which is 50% US Floetrol, 50% Liquitex Effects pouring medium, and a nice little squirt of GAC 800, which I've decanted into here because it's much easier to deal with. As for my base color, I have where'd it go? Amsterdam Warm Gray mixed with a little bit, just a little bit of Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White and a little bit of the gold mixture that I already have mixed up with pouring medium, just to give it a little lift. And let's see, my colors for this are Deco Art Americana Decor Metallics in Pearl, Golden Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold, it's fluid, Arteza Bordeaux Red, large jug. My gold is a combination of Liquitex Gold and Americana Decor Metallics Deco Art 24K. I can't talk. I cannot word today. Thankfully, I don't word much in my videos. So, this little strip that I have taped off right here, I'm going to try to use this color, which is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic in Blue. I am also using that blue for my swipe color. I also have some white mixed up for swipe color, and my swipe colors are mixed with Amsterdam pouring medium. So before I confuse myself any further, let's get down to the canvas.
were dimmed as our eyes met and you saw me. And forevermore, I'd like to share that vintage dream. Yeah, forevermore, we're living in that vintage dream.
There we go. This is our wet results. Just going to try to get high enough so that you can see this was our shorter end. So here is our, look at all the sparklies, you guys. How pretty. Kind of missed that corner, but you guys, this paint dries so fast. It is so thin that it just dries really fast. I'll think of something to do with that later. Not real worried about it. And here we go. We're getting closer into our blue middle. Now, I want you guys to be aware that this is not the end of this painting. We are not finished. We are just finished with this session of painting. I have a plan. Those are words that strike fear into lesser mortals, let me tell you. It's funny how that Bordeaux kind of just pops up in these weird places, like right there. That's not a splatter. And right there, that's not a splatter either. Those just popped up. I love that color. It's so pretty. All of these colors are really pretty, and they did really work together well. So here we are getting closer to the bottom. Ta-da, ta-da. And there we go. I like the way that it the colors kind of start to crap out on the bottom, but I think it makes it really pretty. This is going to be situated vertically, so trying to get the whole thing. There we go. There's the whole thing. And the picture is a little rough, but we do what we can. Okay. So there you go. That's the wet results. I'll add on to this next time.